Have you spent hundreds and thousands of dollars just thinking and wondering how to figure out a particular design? Are you just tired of being like a student of an instructor who's going to teach you design and all these things? Or are you afraid of going to someone who knows how to design your stuff but is going to charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars just for one piece of design? Are you tired and frustrated of all these things? If you're feeling that exhaustion and if you're just down and out, like you're done, then I'm sorry for you. This is the course that you need right now. If you have faced all these problems, then I feel sorry for you. But if you don't, if you have never faced all these problems, then thank God, they are here. You all are here. The complete 30-in-1 Canva Masterclass. This is one of the most comprehensive courses in the online market. What are the 3 benefits of this course? Now, the question arises, and the question is that why should you learn from me? Why me only? Like, there are several people who are going to teach you this. Why only me? Number 1, whatever I've learned and whatever I have made till date, till this very moment, I've made everything out of Canva. I have spent more than 300 plus days at a stretch. I can write that on a piece of paper for you. Like, I can take this piece of paper and I can write on it. I have spent 300 plus days wandering from one page to another of Canva and creating designs that are just going to blow your mind once and for all. And the next one is that whatever I do and whatever I make is live. I don't take any retakes and everything. I just do it there and there just for you, because I know what you feel, because I've been in your shoes before. And often when I feel stuck, I feel like as if I'm in your shoes, like having nothing, having no idea, doing just this and that and spending hundreds and thousands of dollars again, just getting a piece of crap. No more. Now you can create any design just from scratch. Website design, blog designs, Facebook pages, LinkedIn pages, LinkedIn posts, Instagram posts, Twitter ads, Facebook ads, banner ads, certificates, anything. You name it and I have covered all of it. If you're not satisfied, take your money back, because you always have a 30-day money back guarantee. See you soon and sign up now.